Hi there. Let's light up the scene. Let's see how it is. For the scene, I made a sample file, like some textures, like glass. This is also glass. This normal basic white and a metal. Let's see how it looks. Before that, I have done already some render setup in cycles. You can check it in EV also. So let's see how it looks. Oh, this is not how it looks. Let's create an HDRI. For that, I need an environment texture. Let's be here. Let's connect it. Okay, we need an HDRI image. So let's try this. Okay, so now this is the HDRI image, and for that I need to use a little more control on HDRI. So what I will do, let's have it. Okay, a texture coordinate and mapping node, which we will be having here. So what if I want to rotate? I can rotate. Okay, this is good. This seems nice. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, but nothing else I can do except changing one by one from an HDRI here and then here. You can jump in here and you can try this same. Okay, but it's no use. I cannot do much more. I even cannot use HDRI like what we have here, rotation, strength and something, world opacity something. Okay, it's okay, but what if I want it here everything? So I have a solution for it. Let's try that. So now here I need to show you one solution for it, that is HDRI Environment Studio. Okay, an add-on which I built it for you all and the pros like me maybe. So what here I am showing you how to use this add-on and how it is convenient for our small quick work for HDRI. Let's say let's find it. Yeah, here it is. Let's open it, save it and done. Okay, you found it here in your world tab. Okay, world property, you will get it here. And now let's find your HDRI. I have collected some free HDRI from Polyheaven, so you can get it yours. And let's say I am selecting this one just like the before, and here let's check out our output. It's damn good. It's amazing. Let's have one brightness. Okay, let's lower it. Yes, that's great. Let's have some little more brightness. Okay, and let's change the HDRI and click and load. Now here what happens, the browse HDRI is showing you the list of HDRIs which is in the format of EXR and HDR, which is collecting or which is reading from this selected folder, whichever you will arrange or collect your HDRI in that. And you can rotate, of course you can chill with it wherever you want. Let's try it little further. Okay, this goes good. This is amazing. Yeah, really awesome. So now what if I want to change something else? Let's have a studio or some indoor kind of. Yes, this one is good. Yes, see, how's it? You can see how amazing it is. Completely convenient. Let's have something blurry environment, and I need to raise the brightness. Okay, and see, you'll have it, your blur concept. So in that same, let's change another, and done. You gotta see what if the original value of brightness is. Okay, so now if I raise it, it is here and 0. So here it is. Now let's try some, yes, rooftop night. Okay, so everything is perfect and accurate. What else do you want? Yeah, let's try something else for a while. Yes, amazing. Check it out. powerful and clean. How you want, you make it right and impressive. Now this side is completely amazing. Let's make it more dramatic. I have done some camera effects, so let's try. And let's have some blur value more. So it's too much, so that's why I'm not using blur. Many times I don't need to use blur, but this is the best tool right now for any version of Blender. So it's available on Superhive Market. Check it, check your link in description and get it now. Thank you. Bye for now.